If your kitchen sink always looks messy, no matter how often you clean it, sponges lying around, water pooling under soap bottles, that weird damp smell that never really goes away, you're definitely not the only one dealing with that. It's one of those small annoyances that quietly makes your whole kitchen feel cluttered. That's exactly the kind of problem the Cisily Sink Caddy sponge holder is trying to solve. This is designed for anyone who wants a cleaner, more organized sink area without putting in extra effort every day. Whether you cook often or just want your kitchen to feel less chaotic, this little organizer promises to keep things tidy, dry, and easy to reach. Right away, the design feels intentional. It's made from stainless steel and not the flimsy kind that bends if you press on it. It has a solid, slightly weighted feel that helps it stay in place, even when you're grabbing things quickly. The finish looks clean and minimal, so it doesn't stand out in a bad way or make your sink area look busier. It actually blends in pretty well with most modern kitchens. One thing you'll notice immediately is the divided layout. Instead of just one open space, you get separate sections for your sponge, brush, and soap dispenser. It sounds simple, but it makes a big difference in daily use. You're not digging around or stacking things awkwardly. Everything has its place, and that alone cuts down on the mess. The real standout feature here is the sloped, self-draining tray. Instead of water collecting at the bottom and turning into that slimy layer nobody wants to deal with, it naturally drains back into the sink. In practice, that means your sponge dries faster, there's less odor buildup, and you don't have to constantly lift the whole thing to clean underneath. It's one of those features you don't think much about until you use it, and then you don't want to go back. In everyday use, this fits into your routine without any learning curve. You just place it next to your sink and start using it. There's no installation, no suction cups, no adhesives that lose grip over time. It stays stable, and because it's open and accessible, grabbing your sponge or brush feels quick and natural. It doesn't slow you down, which is important for something you'll use multiple times a day. Cleaning it is about as low effort as it gets. Since it's stainless steel, you could just rinse it under running water, and most residue comes right off. There aren't any tricky corners where grime builds up, which helps keep maintenance simple. Over time, it holds up well against water exposure without showing signs of rust or discoloration, at least under normal kitchen conditions. That said, it's not perfect. The size is compact, which is great for smaller sinks. But if you have a lot of tools, like multiple scrubbers, large bottles, or extra brushes, you might find it a bit limiting. It's clearly designed for essentials, not for storing everything at once. Also, since it's a freestanding unit, it can shift slightly if you push it hard enough, though in normal use it stays put just fine. Another small thing is that while the drainage works well, it does depend on how you position it. If your sink edge is uneven or the angle isn't ideal, water flow might not be as smooth. It's not a major flaw, but something to keep in mind. Compared to cheaper plastic caddies, this feels like a noticeable upgrade. Plastic options tend to trap water, stain easily, and start looking worn out pretty quickly. On the other hand, some high-end organizers with suction mounts or over-the-sink designs offer more storage, but can be harder to install and maintain. This one sits comfortably in the middle. It's simple, durable, and does exactly what most people actually need. So who is this best for? If you're someone who likes a clean, minimal kitchen setup and wants to reduce that constant sink side clutter, this makes a lot of sense. It's especially useful in smaller kitchens where every bit of space matters. But if you're looking for a large storage solution or something that holds a lot of accessories, you might want to explore bigger organizers. At the end of the day, this isn't a flashy product. It doesn't try to do anything complicated. It just quietly fixes a common problem and makes your kitchen feel a little more organized without extra effort. And sometimes that's exactly what you want. If you want to check the current price or see if it fits your sink setup, you'll find the link in the description. And if this helped you simplify your kitchen a bit, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.